delete the box. I'll go to Shift E, click on Shift E, go to image as plain. I'll find the image and select it. The next thing I want to do, make it go to material viewport so that you can see the image. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to solidify, go to modifiers and add a modifier called solidify. Then I'm going to reduce the size because it's a paper. I'm going to reduce the thickness to 0.001. After doing that, I'm going to then apply that. The next things I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the shader viewport so that I can see the material that was added. Now over here, we need two faces, right? So I'm going to add a different material to the next face. So I'm going to add a new slot, and then add the previous material to this new slot, and then make it a new material for that same object. Then what I will do is that I'll change the name. I'll change the name to back note, and then I'll select the back material. I'll select the back face, and then assign it. Now it is now assigned to the back. So I'll go to the viewport and change the image to the back note. But what you see that they're having the same faces, the same, and this is because I've not changed the blending mode. I'll change it to opaque. If you notice, you notice that the back is looking inverted. It's not the 1000 is looking inverted. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the UV map, and I'm going to select everything. I'll click on S for scale, and then I'm going to click on Ox, that is X direction, and then I'll click on -1 to invert that. So that is how I inverted it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to rotate this thing around the y-axis. So I click on arrow, then -90 to invert it. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to add a solidifier called array. I'm going to add array to it. Going to add array to it, and then change the values. In the x-axis, I'll put 0, but since I want it to move in the z-axis, I'll put -1 here, and then I'll go to count and increase it. Then what I'll do next is now to apply. So you now have the bundle over here. Now I'm going to click on P to separate the individual objects since they are together.